9 signs your body is begging for protein. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions, including muscle repair, hormone production, and immune system function. Without an adequate intake of protein, our bodies can exhibit various signs and symptoms signaling a deficiency. Here are 9 signs your body may be begging for more protein. Number 1. Muscle weakness and fatigue. Protein is vital for muscle repair and growth. If you're experiencing persistent muscle weakness or fatigue, it could be a sign that your body isn't getting enough protein to support muscle maintenance and recovery. Number 2. Hair loss. Protein is necessary for the growth and strength of hair follicles. Insufficient protein intake can lead to hair thinning or hair loss over time. If you notice an increase in hair shedding or a decline in hair quality, it may be due to inadequate protein consumption. Number 3. Slow recovery from injuries. Protein plays a critical role in the repair and regeneration of tissues, including muscles, tendons, and ligaments. If you find that your injuries are taking longer than usual to heal, it could be a sign that your body needs more protein to support the healing process. Number 4. Frequent illnesses and infections. Protein is essential for the proper functioning of the immune system. A deficiency in protein can weaken the immune response, making you more susceptible to infections and illnesses. If you find yourself getting sick frequently, it may be a sign that your body needs more protein to support immune function. Number 5. Cravings for sweets and carbs. Protein helps regulate blood sugar levels and promotes satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied after meals. If you frequently experience cravings for sugary or carbohydrate-rich foods, it could be a sign that your body is craving protein to help stabilize blood sugar levels and curb cravings. Number 6. Poor concentration and brain fog. Protein is necessary for the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. A deficiency in protein can lead to poor concentration, brain fog, and difficulty focusing. If you find it challenging to concentrate or experience mental fatigue, increasing your protein intake may help. Number 7. Weak or brittle nails. Protein is essential for nail health, providing strength and structure to the nails. If your nails are weak, brittle, or prone to splitting or breaking, it could be a sign of protein deficiency. Adding more protein to your diet may help improve the health and appearance of your nails. Number 8. Fluid retention and swelling. Protein plays a role in maintaining fluid balance in the body. A deficiency in protein can lead to fluid retention and swelling, particularly in the hands, feet, and ankles. If you notice unexplained swelling or puffiness, it may be a sign that your body needs more protein to regulate fluid levels. Number 9. Poor wound healing. Protein is essential for the formation of collagen, a protein that helps promote wound healing and skin regeneration. If you notice that your wounds are slow to heal or that you have poor skin elasticity, it could be a sign of inadequate protein intake. Incorporating protein-rich foods such as lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds into your diet can help ensure that your body gets the protein it needs to function optimally. If you're experiencing any of these signs or symptoms, listen to your body's signals and consider increasing your protein intake to support overall health and well-being.